My teenage daughter edited together a version of Trump's address with only the heavy breathing moments, and I honestly don't think I've ever been more proud of her. So
let's watch it.
Here you go. This is how hideous Donald Trump sounded last night.
All right, Kristen Welker. All right, Kristen.
Hold on. There we go. All right.
All right, Kristen Welker at the White House. Here now is the President of the United States.
My fellow Americans, God bless you and God bless America. Thank you.
I mean, I don't know. He does that a lot. So
No, he sounded really bad because it was only like an 8-minute speech. Like he wasn't like running around gesticulating, like he was sitting down very calm, and he literally could not catch his breath. Just sitting in a low-key energy state talking, he couldn't catch his fucking breath all night. And when he did talk, he sounded all fucking nasally and rough. Like, just saying, like, he did. Even just listen to like his voice the last 6 seconds. Like, here.
God bless you and God bless America. Thank you.
All right, Kristen Welker at the White House. Here now is the.
It did not sound good. Just saying. Also, here, if you all want the link to that, you should definitely feel free to share that and spread that around.